how to create Truth Social account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can create Truth Social account in just few simple steps. So first things first, go to your app store and then download the app and go ahead and open it. Now here tap on create account and tap on let's go. Now you'll be redirected to choose your date of birth. So go ahead and choose a date of birth and make sure it's older than 18. Hit next. And now you can put in your phone number. You'll need to enter the 6-digit code that is sent to your phone via SMS and then hit next. Now you'll have to create a username, password, and then you need to enter your email address to simplify support and account recovery. And there you go, your Truth Social account has been created. Hit continue. And now you can start using the app. You can upload image, put in a display name, bio, location, and website, or you can just skip it for now and then do it later. You can even choose to follow profiles and then choose groups as well. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.